Nongtrei jangka Life Insurance Corporation na Shillong wadan dikis pangut lapulang ya kajing Ïakhih nene kadhana meta kasngi man pau kajing persha halo kajing wanra ya kajing Jingpynkylla ya Rukom Treikam kebala Ktah shibut ne ya kajing Treikam kajongki halo kajing Ïakhih ne kajing Nongtrei lapulang kadhana Ahmad Treikam jeng ka office lapul pau ru kajing persha kabujur sama kajing Ktah shibut ne ya kajing Treikam kajongki kentu ki Treikam agent bat kiwi
Ktah Treikam Jingapad.
Jingapad, Jingapad.
Agility long live.
Long live, long live.
Long live, long live. Agility long live.
Long live, long live.
Long live, long live. Agility long live.
Long live, long live.
So friends, this is our 5 stage of dharna. Today is the 28th. We are having day-long dharna. Previously it starts from 15th, then 18th, then 23rd, then 25th. So why we are in agitation? So lots of changes happened in LIC industries since October. So first main threat is the clawback clause. So LIC has given this instruction that there will be the clawback as per IRDA norms. So what is the clawback? It's the main threat for our LIC agency's clawback clause. What is clawback? Clawback means whatever you get commission. So after surrendering the policy, the commission earned will be returned back. That means your income will be reduced. There is no fault of the agents that clawback clause will be applied for the agents. This is the main issue we are objecting. And other things as some structural changes is there in LIC industry. First of all, the commission reduction. Previously we used to get 20% commission. Now it is reduced to 15% commission, and it will affect at the same time bonus commission. So directly it affects the agents' commission. That is the main. The earnings of the agents will be reduced, and for business also it affects, because previously LIC's sum issued is a minimum 1 lakh. Now it is a 2 lakh. So we cannot do the insurance to the weaker section of the people. So we cannot reach the BPL level people, because it is minimum sum issued is a 2 lakhs. And at the same time premium also enhanced. Premium is costly. Now LIC premium from 1st October it is a costly compared to the previous structure. So commission structure has been reduced, sum issued been enhanced, then age of entry also reduced. Previously age of entry was 55, now it is 50. So it will directly affect the agents segments of the clients. So these are the main demands. That is our all India protest. So today is a day-long dharna, and another phase of the agitation is there. We will meet the MPs, chief ministers, and it will raise in the parliament. Then there will be the Ghirao in zonal office and central office in the coming days.